How to log into Netflix on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Netflix on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel for similar kind of content. Now let's jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, or if you already have Netflix app on your device, you can open it up as well. I'm just going to show you guys using my browser. Now on your browser, you're going to have to go ahead and search for netflix.com and hit enter. It will direct you to the Netflix official website. So here, once you land on the official site, what you can do is to get started, you can enter your email address here and click on get started if you are new. And if you already have an account, you can click on the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on it. And once you have clicked on it, you'll be taken to another sign-in portal. Here you're just going to have to enter the email address that's connected to your account, and then simply enter the password of your account. Once you've done that, if you want to view your password, click on this eye icon and then click on sign in. And if your login credentials are correct, you'll be able to directly sign into your account. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this forgot password option. And here you can send a reset link on your email. So go ahead and enter your email and click on email me, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you next time.